So today I'd love to break down the top 5 jobs that you can get with a graphic design degree or graphic design background. Having a background in graphic design can definitely open up lots of job opportunities for you, and it doesn't just have to be narrowed to one thing like logo design or package design. You can do so many things with a design background. Number 1 is a graphic designer. This is a very common role amongst graphic design professionals and usually kind of an entry-level role in the design world. Graphic designers, they create designs for print, websites, digital, ad designs, logo design, brand design, you name it. Graphic designers can touch all aspects of the design world. Number 2, art director. Art director is usually the next level up for a graphic designer. They're usually overseeing the visual direction of a project or a brand. They often will have a team of designers that they are overseeing as well, and making sure their work also aligns with the overall project goals and the visual look that you're looking for. Number 3 is a web designer. Web designers usually have a graphic design background, but they understand web technologies and how to put a successful website together, make it look visually appealing. They are also trying to understand and take into account the user journey and the things that their users are trying to get out of a website and making it user-friendly. Number 4 is an illustrator. Illustrators can make custom artwork for brands, logos, magazines, book covers, advertisements, really anything, and give it a custom touch with their custom illustrations. Number 5 is a motion graphics designer. Motion graphics are when designs and illustrations are animated and they move to better explain a design or concept. So those can be used on websites, they can be used in presentations, videos, all kinds of things. So some of these roles may require additional skills and additional knowledge, and every company you go to, their roles and their titles are going to shift slightly. So one of these jobs may be called something a little bit different when you're applying for them. But anyway, these are some of the top graphic design jobs that you can get in your career and jobs that you can aspire to. Follow Crye Studio to learn more about the graphic design industry and to learn more about how to be a designer. Thanks so much.